Mr. Keeler,
Yeah.
you remember me?
Oh, yeah. You're the guy that goes around snoring at people. Snoop. Snoop, I want you to meet Mr.
What's his first name?
I don't know. He wants to get in the Gordon show.
Yeah, what do you do?
I snore.
Oh, you're part of the audience.
No, you see, I'm really a research professor of sound phenomena.
Hey, why don't you give him a sample of whatever you're talking about?
Well, certainly. For instance, there's the light and thin or blonde type of snore, or the larger and fuller or brunette variety. And there's the ascending diapason and the descending diapason, and, of course, the double diapason.
That's good.
Yeah.
But the evident sign of the experienced and accomplished snorer is type 7, the interrupted inspiration, or static lag variety.
You know, I've been all through this.
Which merges and extends itself ultimately, and I think I may say without fear of successful contradiction, almost inevitably, into type 8, which might be called the last word in snoring. This is the auto-resuscitation or self-awakening variety. Shall I go on?
No, you stay and I'll go on.